Have you ever wondered if we're alone in the universe or if our neighboring planet, Mars, could harbor life? This tantalizing question has sparked curiosity and fascination for centuries. Mars, our enigmatic neighbor, a world of red deserts and towering volcanoes, holds secrets that could reshape our understanding of life's existence beyond Earth. We're about to delve into the top 5 theories about life on Mars, from possible past microbes to future human colonization. Let's journey through time and space to explore the intriguing theories about life on Mars. It all began in the late 19th century, when astronomer Percival Lowell theorized about the existence of intelligent life on Mars. Lowell was fascinated by what he believed to be canals on the Martian surface, a network of lines he thought were evidence of an advanced civilization's attempts at irrigation. This fascinating notion captured the public's imagination, and the idea of Martians, intelligent beings living on the red planet, became widespread. However, as technology advanced, Lowell's theory came under scrutiny. The canals, he observed, turned out to be optical illusions, a result of telescopic limitations of his time. The Martian landscape was revealed to be barren, devoid of the advanced civilization Lowell had envisioned. Though Lowell's theory was disproven, it sparked a continued interest in the possibility of life on Mars. His speculations, though misguided, paved the way for the exploration and research that continues to this day in our quest to understand the mysteries of the red planet. Fast forward to the 1970s, scientists proposed the idea of past microbial life on Mars. The Viking missions, launched by NASA, were the first to land on the Martian surface. The aim was simple: search for signs of life. Viking carried out a series of biological experiments, and the results? Well, they were ambiguous. Some tests indicated possible metabolic activity, hinting at the presence of microorganisms. However, other experiments came back negative, leaving scientists scratching their heads in confusion. The debate over these results continues to this day. Some researchers argue that the positive results were due to chemical reactions not involving life, while others maintain that these reactions could be evidence of past microbial life. Despite the uncertainty, the Viking missions sparked a revolution in our understanding of Mars and its potential to harbor life. While the microbial life theory remains a hot topic, other theories have emerged suggesting more complex life forms. In the late 20th century, a new theory emerged: panspermia. The concept of panspermia proposes a fascinating possibility, that life on Mars could have originated from Earth, or perhaps the other way around. But how, you ask? The answer lies with meteorites. Imagine a meteorite, a chunk of rock expelled from a planet's surface during a powerful impact, traveling through the vastness of space, carrying with it tiny passengers, microbes. These microscopic organisms, resilient enough to survive the harsh conditions of space, could potentially seed life on another planet if they manage to land and find conditions conducive to life. Supporting this theory, we've found Martian meteorites right here on Earth, providing tangible evidence of this interplanetary exchange. Some of these meteorites even contain structures that some scientists interpret as fossilized Martian bacteria, though this interpretation remains controversial. Although panspermia is thought-provoking, the most recent theories look towards the future rather than the past. Over the past 2 decades, the focus has shifted from finding past life on Mars to creating new life through human colonization. This ambitious vision is being pursued by organizations such as SpaceX and NASA, who have plans to send humans to Mars. SpaceX, for instance, is working on the Starship, a spacecraft designed to carry up to 100 passengers on long-duration interplanetary voyages, with Mars as one of its primary objectives. NASA, on the other hand, has the Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the Moon before making the leap to Mars. But this endeavor is not without its challenges. For one, we need to create a sustainable environment on Mars. This means producing food, water, and oxygen on a planet that is, for all intents and purposes, barren. It's a daunting task, but one that scientists and engineers are tackling head-on with innovative solutions like hydroponics and in-situ resource utilization. Another major hurdle is protecting astronauts from radiation. Mars lacks the protective magnetic field that our Earth has, which means that anyone on the surface would be exposed to dangerous levels of cosmic radiation. Again, this is a challenge that we are meeting with ingenuity, exploring ideas from radiation-shielding suits to Martian habitats built from regolith, the soil-like material on Mars. While the reality of humans living on Mars may be a few decades away, the theories and possibilities continue to captivate us. As we gaze at the red dot in our night sky, we are reminded of the mysteries that the universe holds for us to uncover.